All right, guys, Big T and Tall Z at the show. We had to park down the street, way down the street down there just to get in. We got lots of cars. This is the first time somebody blowing the big truck horn. This Commando Custom Classic. Seen this car quite a bit. Very nice. Oh yeah, this is my car right here. If I had one, this is what I'd like to have. Yeah, big block. Very nice. Very nice.
Doing all right today, fellas?
Hey man, how you doing?
Pretty good.
Yes sir. That's me right there.
What's that?
If I had one, that's what I want.
Over there?
That is beautiful.
I built this car in my backyard.
Really?
This car is a Springfield County car all his life. He bought it at Jones Price Fleet in Sylvania.
Yeah.
And the tag on the back of the car, which is a 6.6 tag, came from the same dealership.
Oh really?
Yes.
Let that noise get out of here for a minute. All them beautiful bikes. That's a nice day to ride, man. Nice day to ride.
I'm going to back way out of here because they can't go out. Well, I guess they could go around.
Yeah, there's a road that goes all the way
okay.
all the way around. We were trying to find out how to get in there, and it's got a gate back there, so they must open the gate and let them out.
But this is the correct paint and the color that this car came from when it was bought brand new. I had redone. I mean, the paint job I had subbed out. In other words, you can't do it all.
No.
And
So you painted it yourself?
no, I had some guys, friends of mine that painted. But they found the right paint. I didn't want no base coat, clear coat. It's gonna peel off for 10 years.
Oh yeah.
I wanted what came on the car. It was on there for all them years. Why would you want to put anything else on it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, they had enamel on them from the factory. Yeah. I just retired from the paint body business, 47 years. That's all I've ever done.
Yeah.
But that's the car. If I had one, that's what I'd be looking for if I had the money to buy one like that.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. Yes sir, buddy. I see you all the time at the shows.
Yeah.
Just keep coming.
Oh yeah. Let's put it this way. Everybody asks, "What you doing the weekend?" I said, "I'm chasing a plastic trophy. Somewhere placing.
Somewhere to put it?
No, I'm hunting them down. I'm hunting a plastic trophy."
All right, man. You take care. Got us a beautiful Camaro. He just wanted to talk, so let him talk. Oh boy. Very nice. Somebody replicated a 03 car. Did a nice job of it. Yes sir, buddy. Oh, nice. Wow. Nice little 318. That paint job is absolutely gorgeous. Yes, sir. Very nice. Got air conditioning under the dash.
It's usually right there.
There's the two cars we saw at the gas station earlier. Of course, got us a nice bunch of cars. A lot of them I haven't seen. A lot of them I have. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Man, look at that. I wish you was here, Tim King, and check that out. I know how you are about those LS modes. That is some kind of nice. Wow. Somebody did a really, really nice job. Mm. 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 Beautiful little 69 Camaro. Maybe a 68. I can't tell the difference.
There's that purple car we saw on the way here.
I know, and the two sports cars.
There's a 49 over there, 49 sedan delivery. There's a delivery truck on the 40.
Oh yeah. They got some nice stuff, ain't they?
Brandon, you seeing some, or Jack, you seeing so many of them, Bubba? Hell, everywhere.
Oh boy.
And there was that blue Impala over there. I couldn't figure out what year that Impala was over there.
Oh yeah. They got a Challenger over there too, a white one. Ooh, nice. 454. We're talking about oh, beautiful El Camino. Red is the color, boy. We got all these beautiful red cars. Red, red, red. All of them red. Super nice interior. I love it, El Camino. Wow. Like I said, this is definitely a red zone. No sticks yet.
He did the seat in now the other stuff.
Oh wow.
This one here, because
Another one. Yes, sir, buddy. Talk about a hump. Cooper Cobras, yes, sir. Look at that engine in this thing. Absolutely beautiful. That's me right there. Nice square body truck.
I would have this definitely. If not, I would have that Challenger.
How about the one? How about the one next to it? Did you notice anything? Red, 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 red. Nothing but red all the way down. Look at that monster. Yes, sir. That is nice. Got to make the noise. Yes.
I didn't even see that gray semi-white one over there. I didn't even see that one.
Which one? Oh boy, purple, plum crazy purple on a beautiful car. We followed him in this morning. Yeah. Super nice. And then we got the high end stuff. Then we got look at the paint job on that Willys. Paul at Fab Rats is fixing to give one of those away, a white one. All you got to do is buy a T-shirt, and it puts you in the win. I love that right there now. That panel wagon. Yeah. Oh man.
And also with the
Oh, look at that.
I don't know how you
He's not finished yet. He's working
How
on
did you
it.
get this? Did you just like?
Huh?
I guess they just had this here because there's no way he drove this all the way here. I don't even see a brake and gas pedal in there.
This is something they're working on.
And then
This
this
is
thing
a-
can go 140? Damn, for an old car like this, this stuff can go 140.
This is a restoration shop. This is one that they're working on, trying to make it pretty for you. Let's walk down this way. I hadn't seen these yet. Oh man, there we go. Oh, pretty.